everybody. Well, I'm very happy to introduce myself. My name is Tom. I'm 26 years old and I'm living in movie. I'm an accountant. I'm a single. My family has 5 people. My mother, my father, 2 children, and me. My father is 50 years old. My mother is 48 years old. My father and mother are still living. My younger sister is 22 years old. She has just married this year. My younger brother is 22 years old. He is children. I went them always happy. I'm not good at English. I try my best to learn English now. I think I speak English very well. Now I'm have to study hard. In the future, I want to be an accountant at một đài airport. With my free time, I see listen to music, watch TV, read news on the internet. On vacation, I sometimes go to the supermarket, shopping, and go back to my hometown to visit my family. In short, I'm very happy with my life, of course. I wish like it happier. Thank you for listening.